In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Strategy Tester in TradingView Mobile. We'll walk through how to load a strategy on your chart and quickly assess how it would have behaved in the past, all from your phone. This tool is great for learning and analysis. It visualizes hypothetical trades so you can study a strategy's logic. Remember, you're not placing live orders here. This is strictly for backtesting and education. Start by opening the TradingView app on your device. From the bottom toolbar, tap Charts, so you're looking at a full-screen price chart. The strategy you load will apply to whatever symbol and time frame you're currently viewing, so keep that in mind as you proceed. Next, look along the bottom for the graph icon. That's the Indicators button. Tap it to open the Indicators and Scripts menu. This is the hub where TradingView organizes built-in tools, community scripts, and, importantly for us today, strategies. Inside that menu, switch over to the Strategies tab. Strategies are different from indicators. Instead of just plotting lines or oscillators, they simulate entries and exits on the chart. Browse through the list and choose one that fits the kind of testing you want to do. When you find it, tap once to add it to your chart. You'll return to the chart with the strategy active. You should now see visual signals layered on price, typically entry and exit markers, and sometimes labels that help you understand what happened at each point. Use this view to get a quick sense of whether the rules make sense for the market you're analyzing. For clearer insights, pay close attention to your time frame. A strategy can look completely different on a 5-minute chart compared to a daily chart because market noise and trends vary by time frame. Pinch to zoom and drag the chart to review different market conditions, like strong trends or choppy ranges, and observe how the signals respond. Give the app a moment to render if you're on a slower connection. And that's the process. Open the app, go to Charts, tap the Indicators graph icon, switch to Strategies, and add one to your chart. With these simple taps, you can start exploring historical strategy behavior right on mobile.